Hey there, tech enthusiasts and car lovers. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in engineering and technology. Today we're diving into the top 5 automotive engineering breakthroughs that are shaping the way we drive. From electric dreams to self-driving fantasies, the future of mobility is closer than you think. We're talking game-changing innovations that are not only making cars smarter and safer, but also pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Before we hit the road, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on the future of transportation. Ready to hit the gas? Let's go. First up, let's talk about the undeniable king of automotive trends, electric vehicles, or EVs. These aren't just cars, they're an entire revolution. With companies like Tesla, Rivian, and even legacy brands like Ford and GM investing heavily, EVs are becoming faster, more affordable, and more accessible. But what's really driving this electric revolution? For starters, the tech under the hood is getting seriously impressive. Battery technology has come a long way. We're talking faster charging, longer ranges, and lower costs. Remember when EVs could barely go 100 miles on a single charge? Yeah, those days are long gone. We're now seeing EVs with ranges of 300, 400, even 500 miles. And it's not just about range anxiety anymore. Charging infrastructure is catching up too, with more and more charging stations popping up every day. Plus, let's not forget the instant torque and silent acceleration that EVs are known for. It's a whole new driving experience, but it's not just about the tech, it's about the impact. EVs are leading the charge towards a cleaner, greener future. With zero tailpipe emissions, they're helping to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and combat climate change. And did you know some of the newest EVs can charge up to 80% in under 20 minutes? That's quicker than a coffee break. It's insane how fast this technology is evolving. So the big question is, would you switch to an EV today? What are your biggest concerns or reservations? Let me know in the comments below. Next, let's talk about cars that think for themselves, sort of. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, are taking safety and convenience to the next level. We're talking about features that were once considered futuristic, but are now becoming increasingly common in modern cars. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist and automated emergency braking, these systems are designed to prevent accidents and make driving smoother. Imagine this. You're stuck in rush hour traffic, but your car adjusts its speed automatically while keeping a safe distance from the car ahead. Stress-free, right? But ADAS is more than just a fancy cruise control system. It's about using sensors, cameras, and radar to create a 360-degree awareness of your surroundings. This technology can detect potential hazards, warn you of dangers you might not see, and even take control of the vehicle in emergency situations. Think about features like blind spot monitoring, which alerts you if there's a car in your blind spot, or lane departure warning, which gently nudges you back into your lane if you start to drift. These systems are designed to act as a second pair of eyes, helping to prevent accidents before they happen. But here's the kicker. ADAS is also the foundation for fully autonomous vehicles. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer every day. Companies like Waymo, Cruise, and Tesla are pouring billions into developing self-driving technology, and the progress they're making is mind-blowing. Imagine a future where cars can navigate traffic, park themselves, and even communicate with each other to avoid collisions. It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. So what do you think about self-driving cars? Are you excited about the possibilities, or are you a little bit wary? Let me know in the comments. Chapter 3. Now, let's shift gears to something you might not hear about as often: hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. While EVs dominate the headlines, hydrogen cars are quietly making waves. These vehicles represent a completely different approach to achieving zero-emission mobility, and they have the potential to be a game-changer. So how do hydrogen cars work? Instead of relying on batteries, they use fuel cells to generate electricity. These fuel cells combine hydrogen gas with oxygen from the air, producing electricity to power the vehicle's motor. The only byproduct of this process? Water vapor. That's right, hydrogen cars emit nothing but pure H2O. Brands like Toyota, Hyundai, and Honda are leading the charge with models like the Mirai and Nexo. These cars offer impressive ranges, comparable to many EVs on the market today. Plus, refueling a hydrogen car takes just a few minutes, faster than most EVs. But here's the challenge: hydrogen infrastructure. While EVs can be charged at home or at a growing number of public charging stations, hydrogen cars require specialized fueling stations, which are still few and far between. This lack of infrastructure is one of the biggest hurdles facing the widespread adoption of hydrogen vehicles. Another challenge is the cost of producing and transporting hydrogen. While hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, it's mostly found in compound form, meaning it needs to be extracted and processed, which can be energy intensive. Despite these challenges, hydrogen fuel cell technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation, especially for long-haul trucking, aviation, and other heavy-duty applications where batteries might not be practical. So what do you think? Is hydrogen the future? Or are EVs too far ahead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Chapter 4. Next on the list is something straight out of sci-fi: 3D printing in car manufacturing. This technology, also known as additive manufacturing, is transforming the way cars are designed, prototyped, and even produced. From prototypes to fully functional parts, automakers are using 3D printing to save time, reduce costs, and even create custom designs. Imagine being able to print complex car parts on demand, without the need for expensive tooling or lengthy manufacturing processes. That's the power of 3D printing. For example, Bugatti uses 3D printing to make lightweight titanium brake calipers, an engineering marvel. These calipers are incredibly strong and lightweight, thanks to the intricate designs that are only possible with 3D printing. And it's not just luxury brands. Companies are exploring ways to make 3D printed parts accessible for everyday cars, which could mean cheaper repairs and upgrades for you and me. Imagine printing your car's replacement part at home. How cool would that be? But 3D printing isn't just about making existing parts cheaper or faster. It's also about unlocking a whole new world of design possibilities. With 3D printing, engineers can create complex geometries and organic shapes that were previously impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. This means we could see cars with lighter, stronger, and more aerodynamic designs, leading to improved fuel efficiency and performance. We could also see more personalized cars with custom interiors, body panels, and accessories printed to order. The possibilities of 3D printing in the automotive industry are truly endless. It's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way cars are designed, manufactured, and even repaired. Chapter 5. Last but not least, let's talk about sustainability. As the automotive industry races towards a future of electric and autonomous vehicles, it's also becoming increasingly focused on reducing its environmental impact. And one of the key areas of innovation is the use of sustainable materials in car manufacturing. Automakers are going green with sustainable materials like recycled plastics, organic fibers, and even biodegradable composites. These materials offer a more eco-friendly alternative to traditional materials like steel, aluminum, and leather, without compromising on performance or aesthetics. Take BMW for example. They've committed to reducing carbon emissions by using recycled materials in their production. The BMW i Vision circular concept car, unveiled in 2021, is made almost entirely from recycled and renewable materials, showcasing the company's commitment to circularity. Volvo is also designing interiors with vegan leather and eco-friendly textiles. Their XC40 Recharge electric SUV, for example, features a sustainable interior made from recycled plastic bottles and other renewable materials. These changes aren't just about looking good, they're about making cars that are better for the planet. By using sustainable materials, automakers can reduce their reliance on virgin resources, minimize waste, and lower their carbon footprint. But it's not just about the materials themselves, it's also about the entire life cycle of the vehicle. Automakers are exploring ways to design cars for disassembly, making it easier to recycle and reuse components at the end of the vehicle's life. The shift towards sustainable materials is a positive step towards a more environmentally friendly automotive industry. As consumers become more aware of the impact their choices have on the planet, we can expect to see even more innovation in this space. So there you have it. The top 5 automotive engineering breakthroughs driving us into the future. From electric vehicles and hydrogen cars to ADAS, 3D printing, and sustainable materials, the automotive world is changing fast. It's an exciting time to be a car enthusiast with so much innovation happening at such a rapid pace. What were once futuristic dreams are now becoming a reality, and the possibilities seem endless. If you found this video as exciting as I did, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a journey into the future of engineering. What's your favorite breakthrough? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.